the MW07 GO. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the MW07 GO by Master Dynamic. This version is designed for those that are on the move and lead active lifestyles. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, along with a USB adapter, and an assortment of fit wings and ear tips. The MW07 GO features 10 hours of listening time, 22 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours and 40 minutes to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX and SBC codec, button controls, 10mm beryllium drivers, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX6 sweat and water resistant. The specs are pretty similar to the flagship model, the MW07 Plus, except it has a shorter battery life and it doesn't have ANC or the ambient listening, but it does have a higher IPX rating. They come in 4 color options: electric blue, flame red, jet black, and stone gray. The case is smaller compared to the Plus and has a fabric type wrap around the case. It has a similar feel to the Sennheiser Momentum case. On the top you have the Master Dynamic logo. And on the front, it has the status LEDs for the case and earbuds. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is thin and light and has a good snap to it when it opens and closes. It uses magnets. You can see the Master Dynamic branding etched in inside the case. And the earbuds are firmly secured inside. They are easy to grip and remove. The earbuds have the same form factor as the Plus. It's slightly smaller, but uses the same drivers as mentioned earlier. The outer face is a durable composite TR90 material used in many sports eyewear. On the left side, you have the volume controls, microphone, LED, fit wings, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. The right earbud has the same features except it has a multi-function button for navigating playback and calls. Playback and call controls is just a matter of pressing a few times on the multi-function button to get the desired function. And here are the earbuds side by side. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.5 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at roughly 37 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 16 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there is no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Picking up the pieces on a summer night, I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. 'Cause we go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you. 'Cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Master Dynamic MW07 GO microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and the other parties had no issues hearing me. Pairing is also instantaneous. When testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Master Dynamic MW07 GO. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds are in line with the MW07 Plus when it comes to comfort. It is a bit smaller, but the overall fit is the same. It felt very secure and it created a nice seal. There is good passive noise isolation, and the button placement on the top of the faceplate helps so it doesn't push into your ear canals when navigating. And it definitely had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. The case is very light. I'm not really a fan of the fabric finish, but it's more of a personal preference, but it's well constructed. I would have preferred a solid matte finish. Earbuds are sharp looking and the finish just pops. It feels durable and it's solid. It does protrude out a bit and the shape is definitely different from your traditional earbuds. The battery life is a bit less compared to the Plus, but it should have no issues lasting through your activities. Now when it comes to sound, it's very impressive. It has the same sounds that the Plus delivers. Bass is very prominent, tight and punchy. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and as I stated in my Plus review, the vocals really stand out and it's a bit forward, but not too bright sounding. It's just a great listening experience throughout with various music genres, and I really enjoy the overall sound signature. Volume levels also get loud. So Master Dynamic has done well with the MW07 GO. You do give up some of the materials and features such as a stainless steel case, ANC, and ambient hearing that the Plus provides. But these are definitely a good fit for those that lead active lifestyles in my opinion. It's much lighter, has a better IPX rating, and it provides the same great sounds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.